Now I'm going to fix again. Now it's not making again abnormal noise. It is like a fixing noise because lubricant method already gone. Because of that only it's make a huge noise from the machine. This actually it is main issue. It's they are not removing after filling water dryer. That is the main issue. We have to explain to the customer. We can fix drum. Now it's okay. Now we have to tight little bit nut back of the drum. After finishing, we can tight properly. Now we have to refix everything. We can fix this way. We have to fix properly here. Okay. Now we can fix V belt, drum belt here, and after that we have to give tension with the spring lock here. Now it's okay. Now we can fix side covers. Now I'm fixing side covers. මං කියන එක තේරෙනනේ. ඔය අතේ ඇන තියාගන්න එපා කියන්නේ මං ඒකයි. ඔයාලට පුරුද්දක් ඕක මහා ජරා පුරුද්දක් ඕක නං ඈ. ෂි. වහලේ AC එකම ගැලුවොත් එහෙම බිමට උඩට බහලා පණ යනවා. යකෝ අතේ තියාගන්න එපා කියලා කියවනේ මම සර ඇන. මෙතන පටියක් එන්නේ නැද්ද? මෙතන එන දෙකක් එන්නේ නැද්ද මේකට? ඈ? නෑ? නෑ ඒ පිටර පටක් නෑ අයි. ඒකේ මං හිතන්නේ මම මේක දාලා නැද්ද කොහෙද? මේ වගේ එකක් ඉස්සෙල්ලා හයි කරනකොට. දාලා නැහැ තමයි. දැන් ඉස්සරහ ඒ කියන්නේ ඕක මං හදුවානේ දැන් අවුරුදු දෙකකට ඉස්සෙල්ලා. ආ අල්ලන්නද? අල්ලන්න. Now almost completed. Now we have to fix front panel with the door, front cover with the door. Also backside heater cover. After that our job will be finished. Now we have to fix front cover, otherwise door section. We have to, while you are fixing, don't forget we have to fix door lock connector here. After that only, otherwise you have to remove again. Don't forget that one. මට මේ වීඩියෝ එකකට පොඩ්ඩක් ඉඩ දෙන්න අන්න එහෙම. Now completed. Now we have to fix main control board section, front panel with the display, also bottom cover. That's it. Now display, front panel. Now we have to fix panel, front panel, display panel. After that our job complete. It will be complete. It's okay. Finally, we have to fix heater guard only. After that, cover only. After that, our job finish. Now we already fixed here. Now finally, we have to check. Finally, we already fixed everything. Now we have to check one cycle, and we will give power connection. And I'm selecting delegate option. 45 minutes. I will start the machine now. Now you can see machine is running well. Now not possible to come abnormal noise or fixing noise, otherwise humming noise, because I already make the lubricant with the grease. Now my job already completed. Machine is running well with the load without any abnormal noise. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thanks again.